everybody, my name is Brian and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you a new choreography. The title of the song is called Focus by H.E.R. Alright, so let's start. Alright, let's start. So from here, close your feet, 6, 7, and this one tilt your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, open on 5, and 6, 7, 8. Alright, one more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, slowly open on 8. Roger that. Alright, next. Overhead. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, then tilt your head. 4, then slowly 5, double. 6, step forward on 7, push your shoulder. 8. Alright, from here, one more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2. Open on 3, 4, slowly 5, 6, step forward on 7, 8. From first to second 8. 5, 6, combine 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, down, 3, 4, ha, ha, ha. Alright, next from here. You got a bull change to 1, 2. So you look on 2. Again, 6, 7, and bull change. 1, 2, drag it, and 3, and 5, 6, open on 7. Copy? Then you're gonna go close to your left, pose, open, and stop. Then up. Alright, again, let's start from here. Can we move a little bit to the back? So 5, 6, we'll change 6, 7, and go 1, 2, and 5, 6, open on 7, and open the up. Alright, let's try it. Let's combine from the beginning. It's so hard to count this one. So 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Step 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and hop and go up. Alright, next. You'll hear the lyrics. Baby, I just wanna get up. I want you to get up, 6, 7, and go. Baby, I arch your back. Then watch it. Lift, get up, down, look to the back. Okay? One more time. So from here, top. And baby, I just wanna watch it, get up, down, look to the back. Okay? Let's try from the beginning. A little bit slowly. So 5, 6, 7, and goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, open 7, and the 8, go up. Baby, arch your back. I just wanna get up, and look. Alright, next. So from here, we're gonna go down, 1, and straight. This one you can do, you can use any hand you like. You can arch or reach. Alright, then sit, recover, and walk slow. Alright? That's right. 5, 6, from here. So 5, 6, 7, and down 1, and fast. Then down again, up, walk slow. Alright, let's start from the beginning. All of it. A little bit faster. So 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, forward, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. I just can watch it. Get up and down. Reach and turn back and walk. Yes! Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like that choreography. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment on my videos. Alright? See you soon. Bye bye.